So you're not able to tell us anything beyond the observations that you're making on the face of the document?
Yes, my lord.
But presumably other people who else were there?
There were many people who were there.
Yeah, like who? Because maybe we'll need to call them to tell us, to explain to us. Who else were there?
There were tons of people. I can't remember everybody, but there was a lot of people.
Yes, you can
helping
remember.
Us.
Can you remember 2 or 3 or 4?
In terms of helping us to do that, Akoto Ampao, for example, was around helping us to put these together. Gloria Kufu was around.
And who else?
My team was also around.
My lord, so what's the relevance of these questions? I'm sorry, Lord.
Now, can you explain the irrelevance? Can you demonstrate the irrelevance? If you can demonstrate, to uphold it, but I don't see.
The people who were present, who stamped these documents, is relevant?
Well, anyway, it's your case.
My lord, is very clearly relevant. The witness is telling us, and quite differently from earlier evidence, he's telling us that in respect of some of these numbers and so on, he himself cannot explain them. If he cannot explain them, I mean, we have to have recourse to other possibilities, and that has to be who else was present. My lords, this matter of who was present with the swearing of the exhibits, the swearing of the affidavit, is going to be very important in our submission legally. I do not need to say more than that at this stage, because these irregularities that we are finding on the face of the exhibits have a lot of significance.
Is counsel addressing the court?
And can you shut up?
I thought you're supposed to be cross-examining the witness.
I can. Yes. Can you let me finish, my lord? It's clear that if there were other people, these
rude words that counsel has been using, we're capable of reply. And I think that the court should call on him to use more decorous language and withdraw. We're capable of replying it. You should know that.
These interruptions are really unnecessary.
No,
and I think they're very trying.
All right. Please, let's go back to the rules of the game. All complaints should be addressed to the bench for appropriate redress.